Hi, today we bring to you the Fisher and Paykel Vitera full face mask. It is a redesign of the Fisher and Paykel simplest mask. They both look very similar, yet are very different. When it comes down to the clips, to the headgear, and the cushion, you wouldn't even recognize the simplest. The headgear has the Venticool technology, very cool on the skin. It won't lock up that moisture, that heat. Very soft. You can feel the difference. The moment that you put on this mask compared to the simplest, you feel the difference in the headgear. As far as the clips, it has smaller, more sleek looking clips. The cushion has a lot more flex to provide a way better seal so that you don't get those pesky leaks to your eyes. Now, it does have the same as the simplest in one shot. You can take everything apart very simple so you can wash it. They made it a little bit easier to pull off the headgear by putting a little clip in the middle. Before, you would just have to take off each individual strap. It has the Visi blue identifier, so you know how to put the mask back together. After washing your mask, to put it back together, very simple to just clip back on. The headgear has a nice little clip on top, and your two side clips. That is a Vitera full face mask. For more information, please visit our website at sleepplay.com. Thank you very much.